Vlogmas, we have another What I Eat in a Day for you. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the WW Personal Points Plan, it has helped me lose over 100 pounds. Be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is another What I Eat in a Day video. We're doing Vlogmas halfway there, 12 days till Christmas. So hopefully you'll come on along and share the day with me. We're going to do some breakfast and then we're going to go to Walmart to pick up a grocery haul. Before breakfast, I'm going to drink 24 ounces of water. That is at room temperature. This is my breakfast. I'm having 2 eggs over hash browns, 1 piece of avocado toast with 1 point worth of avocado, and I'm going to sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning. So this breakfast is 2 points. 1 point for the avocado, 1 for the toast. And that's my breakfast. Eggs are 0 points, potatoes are 0 points on my personal points program. At Walmart doing a grocery pickup order, it's funny, I had to order it so far in advance I forgot what I ordered. It was probably like 5 days before they had a pickup time. When I was in Florida, you could get them the next day, but not here. This is the first time I've done a pickup in Ohio since I got back. This is a very small Walmart haul. I'm going to make some dinner tonight, so I wanted to saw a recipe on another YouTube channel. I want to try it. So I got some chicken, and it's for Kung Pao chicken, so I want to use this sauce. And I bought some stir-fried vegetables, and I'm going to make fried rice out of this rice veggie cauliflower medley. And I have an avocado, 18 eggs, 2 of my Stoke coffee bottles. I got some more extra virgin olive oil spray for cooking, some Pam spray for cooking, some sugar-free chocolate instant pudding, some sugar-free cheesecake, sugar-free fat-free Jell-O cheesecake pudding. And I needed some more spices out of my pumpkin pie spice and ground cinnamon. So I want to make sure I have that around. And I got a couple of these drink enhancers for water. They're 0 points, 0 calories. I got grape. And I got peach tea. So those are what I use in my drinks to flavor them. So that is my small Walmart haul for today. I'll let you know how that Kung Pao chicken tastes, because I'm going to make it for dinner tonight. So I'm getting some steps in at the gym today. Finally found some time to come up here and walk, but I forgot my headphones, and I hate walking without my headphones. But we'll see. I was going to go to the pool, go swimming. Change my mind, maybe tomorrow. So it's just walking today. The pool looks pretty inviting today. It's not too crowded. They have a walking path in the pool, hot tub. Maybe tomorrow. Doing some exercise on the bike today. Like my holiday pants. Christmas outfit every day almost. Ho, ho, ho. So for lunch, my daughter brought me home some Olive Garden. It is Asiago tortellini with grilled chicken. And this is a half of a lunch order, and it is going to be 11 points. The full order is 22, and this is half of it, so I'm counting it as 11 points. I felt like something a little sweet, so I cut up a juicy Bartlett pear. It's very good. And that is going to be my little snack this afternoon. Okay, I'm going to spray the pan with some Pam spray. And then I'm going to add some chicken. And I'm going to add some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, some cumin, and some chili powder. And I'm going to cook this until it's done. And in the meantime, I'm going to microwave some stir-fried vegetables and make some cauliflower fried rice. These are the riced cauliflower I'm using to make the fried rice. I'm going to put it in the pan. And I'm using 2 bags. Then I will heat that through. Once the chicken is done, I'm going to add 3/4 of a bottle of this Kung Pao stir-fry sauce. And stir it until the chicken is coated. Then I'm going to add the stir-fried vegetables that I microwaved. Add the vegetables and the rest of the jar of the Kung Pao sauce. And then I'll heat that through. The cauliflower rice is thawed out. So now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of this less sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And a packet of this fried rice seasoning mix. I'm going to also scramble 2 eggs on the side to mix up with the fried rice. So that is my dinner tonight. It is the fried rice and the Kung Pao chicken. It's 1 point for the fried rice, and I think it's 3 points for the Kung Pao chicken. But I think it's going to be too spicy for my taste. I've never made this before, but it's a little, the Kung Pao sauce is a little spicy, so it's probably going to go to leftovers for my son. There's the pot. It's really good, filled with vegetables. It looks good. That sauce is just a little spicy. That meal was way too spicy for me. I ate the fried rice. It was good. The chicken and vegetables look so good, but it was too hot. I'm going to come to you later with a little snack plate I'm going to make for the football game to give me some more points for my meal. So, oh well, you have a failure this time. For me anyways. Some people would like it because they like spice. So this is a little snack plate I made up. I'm having 4 points worth of the everything but the bagel crackers from Trader Joe's. I have 1 point's worth of turkey pepperoni, a 1 point Laughing Cow cheese, and 1 point of tomato basil hummus. So I'm going to have that as a little snack. I'm going to have one more thing for tonight. This is Drizzlicious mini rice cake, birthday cake bites. I'm going to have 15 of them for 3 points, and that's going to end my day using 26 points on the Weight Watcher personal point plan. 15 of those little morsels for 3 points. So that's going to be it for day 14 of Vlogmas. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.